In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a library in Axure RP 10. If you're working with Axure RP, you'll know how integral libraries can be in developing prototypes quickly and efficiently. They allow you to reuse components and styles across different projects, saving you a lot of time and effort. Today, I'll walk you through the simple process of importing a library file so that you can take full advantage of this feature in Axure RP 10. Let's get started by launching Axure RP on your computer. You can do this by finding the Axure icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder and clicking on it. Once you have Axure up and running, you'll need to open a new project or an existing file, depending on where you want to add your library. If you're starting fresh, simply select the option to create a new file. If you're adding the library to a project you've been working on, go ahead and open that file now. Once your project is open, your next step is to locate the libraries pane. By default, you'll find this on the left side of your interface, just below the Pages pane. The Libraries pane is an essential area where you manage the UI elements and components you'll be using, so it's handy to know where it is. Now look at the top right corner of the Libraries pane, and you'll see an icon for more library options. It might appear as a stack of 3 dots or a small downward arrow, depending on your interface setup. This icon is your gateway to accessing more library management features, so go ahead and click on it. A menu will appear with several options related to library management. From this menu, you need to select Add Local Library. This option allows you to add a library from your local files, which is likely where you have your library saved. With Add Local Library selected, your computer's file browser will pop up. Here you'll need to navigate through your folders to find the specific .rplib file you're adding. It's usually helpful to have this file saved in a place where you can easily find it. Once you've located and selected your .rplib file, click on it. Finally, click the Open button in your file browser. This action will import the selected library into your Libraries pane, making it available for immediate use in your project. Now, you'll see your new library listed in the Libraries pane, ready to enhance the functionality and design of your prototypes. And that's it! You've successfully imported a library into Axure RP 10. With these simple steps, you can efficiently add and use libraries to streamline your workflow in Axure. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check back for more tips and tricks on using Axure RP. Thanks for watching, and happy prototyping!